Welcome back to Dimension Traders. Today we are going to go over 28 pairs for tonight's possible setup. And remember about the Dimension Trader we have been mentioned before. We are looking for either reverse or continuation area. For the reminder, the Dimension Trader will include 5 dimensions, which is breakdown, bottom break up, holding, continuation back to the line, then drop to here. So dimension 1, dimension 2, dimension 3, 4, 5. This is the dimension we are looking for. Okay, back to the review. It's been a while. I have an update for a while, causing some personal issue. Now I'm back for the live update for you guys every day. Right now we are going to the first pair, Aussie dollars. In this pair, what I'm looking for is resistance and support. For the dimension, the most important thing is we need to see there's a testing and a rejection candle, like a hammers. But at this point, this pair do not have any setup. The trend is up. There's no breakdown trend, and we haven't seen any rejection pattern, rejection hammers in these areas. So we are going to scan very fast for all the pairs. Once I see the possible setup, I'll point out what I'm looking for. Then we will plan our trade for entry and exit. So let's go to next pairs. This pair have no setup on the resistance. No setup in resistance, and the trend is up. There's nothing broken down. The only thing I can see here is a previous setup. This is downtrend, support right here, 1, 2, twice testing, target 1, target 2. So this one possible will head into target 3 or even target 4. We'll skip this one for now because there's no setup. We're going to scan to the next one. Pound dollar. This one is uptrend, resistance. So this is the most important area we want to see if there's a rejection candle or breaking down the trend line and pull back. We're going to wait for this one, and we're going to scan for the next one. New Zealand dollar. This one is similar to the pound, so nothing we are looking at, we're expecting for tonight. Dollar cat. Okay, dollar cat is pretty interesting. Even though there's a trend line breakup, but the support is right here. It did not hold on the support and even break down even to retesting this area. If the pricing hold on this area, breaking up and double testing the second time with the hammer or something strong rejection, it could be a very good entry for the 1 to 2. Okay, let's go to the next one. US suite. There's no obvious one, but we can see there is a previous one already complete. The dimension that's been complete is right here. Trend breakup, support, text one with strong rejection, going 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Then uptrend, breakdown, retesting, and this going down 1 to 2, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Then this pulse holding, bouncing for another up. So dimension trading, 5 dimension as we see right here. Dimension 1, break the trend line. Dimension 2, hit the top. Dimension 3, breaking in the hole. Dimension 4, and we are missing one dimension, which is continuation. There's no setup right here. It just jump through the roof. Okay, so there's no setup on this one. Let's keep going on. Let's keep going for the dollar yen. Dollar yen is all the way up. There's nothing we are going to see for tonight's setup. If there's a trend line break, then we'll come back for this. Let's go to the next one. Aussie cat. This one have a very similar setup. Trend line break, resistance, trend line break, resistance, trend line. So this area is we're expecting for short if there's a strong rejection candle, or break the trend line and the retesting with a strong rejection. That is we are looking for short. So at this point there's nothing. Aussie cat. The next one, Aussie sweet. This one is very closer to our expecting entry point, but as far as we see, there's no strong rejection. Trend line break, resistance, trend line break, support. Let's take a look closer. There's no candle on the hourly. Possible reversal, candlestick, but we see there's a strong tail to push up. So it's not a good idea to expecting any short if we see any further trend line break. Aussie sweets, okay. So we're looking for a good rejection at the support or resistance combined with the trend line. Not get a perfect setup. Okay, let's keep moving to the next one. Aussie yen. So all the yen pair is shooting up. There's nothing to expecting at this setup right here. So just keep moving. Aussie New Zealand. There is no holding back for the uptrend at this point. No trend line break. We will keep looking to see if there's anything that's been set up. Okay, this one have the possible setup point right here. The trend line breakdown, retesting the resistance, pricing going 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Then trend line break with a support, only test once. It didn't go down for the second one, but we see there's two testing right here. But since we are heading to the uptrend, there's no trend line break yet. We have a strong breakdown, got a strong candle right here, rejection, but also we have the strong candle right here on the support line, rejection, and trend line hold, no break trend line. If you're not going short, it's going to be a very risky trade. Let's double check on the 4 hour. Okay, at the 4 hour there's a strong rejection candle right here for the support. It's not a good sign if you want to go short against the trend. We have 1 rejection, 2 rejection. At this point, if you want to short on this one, I would not suggest to do that till we see more clear rejection on the resistance side. So let's keep moving to the next one. Cat yen. All yen pair is kind of shooting up, so there's nothing to expect at this point. Sweet yen. This one similar in a consolidation area, even a trend line break, but I don't see any resistance being created. Trend line break, but there's no resistance line being breakthrough down or hold. So skip. Okay, Euro Austrian dollar. This one is very interesting because I have this trade this morning and actually it's fulfilled the target. Let me show you what I see in the morning trade. First of all, trend line break, support line. Test once, test twice with a strong candle rejection. Then combine with a trend line right here. So I entry right here, stop point right below. Here's my entry, my stop, and then my 1 to 1 and 1 to 2 target. Actually this one hit my 1 to 2, so it's a pretty good trade at this morning. So at this point, we might not expecting a new setup till we see the strong breakup of this trend line to create another support rejection right here to expecting more upward. So at this point, we got a winning trade on this one in the morning, and we're going to skip and wait. Okay, Euro cat. This one could have the trade where there's a trend line resistance, trend line resistance, reject once, but we haven't seen any rejection twice right here. So if we have a clear candle rejection, this could be a very good short trade because along with the trend line right here, it support our setup as a dimension trading for down. Okay, so waiting for candle before London open. Let's see if this one can create some candlestick on rejection on the downward side. Okay, let's keep moving for the next one. Euro cat, Euro sweets. This is very good view for us to see our trend line break, and there's a resistance. Previous one, we have one resistance right here, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 for the downside. Now we have consolidation and trend line right here, which is create support for the uptrend back to this resistance line. So if we don't see a strong reversal candle hammer or shooting star, we will not enter this trade. Plus here is a strong rejection in the support. Not a good idea to against the bias. So we'll skip this one for now. Move on to the next one. Euro pound. China holding. No break. Nothing to trade. Okay. Downtrend trend line is holding. Even uptrend trend line break. We haven't seen any retesting on the resistance line. So no setup. Next one. Euro yen shooting up. No trade. Euro New Zealand. This one is consolidation. We might have some setup in a lower time frame, but I try to stick as a 1 hour for now because of the risk and the reward ratio is within 20 pips. So hourly risk and reward between 20 pip or 15. 4 hours, your expectation probably 40 pip and the 50 pip for the risk. At this point, we're kind of aiming for 20 pip risk. So no trade. Euro, pound, Australia dollar. Downtrend hold, no break. New low create. So no setup, no trade. Pound cat. This one, I'm expecting more upper size moving because we see trend line break, resistance test, drop for 123 or 125. Then trend line break, support. If it's not coming back to testing this area for the long or touch the trend line, probably not a good entry. If we want to short this one, we're expecting some rejection right here for short, or break trend line, then create new downtrend trend line right here for the short. That'll be a perfect setup for the short. At this point, no trade. Pound sweets, similar situation, no trade. Pound yen shooting up, no trade. Pound New Zealand, this one, we don't see anything here. We have the trend line break, but not yet retesting on the resistance. Downtrend trend line break. Here is a rejection candle. Create an uptrend. Testing once, but there's no testing twice. If there's a twice testing, that'll be even better because uptrend trend line could be holding for more firm confirmation to going up. So no trade. Pound New Zealand. New Zealand cat. We got a sale tonight about Asian open time. and we see a very good setup right here. I have been open for this trade. Pricing is still hanging around in the world entry. The trade I see right here is downtrend breakup, create a support, testing once, testing twice. Then my entry is right here where the candle close. So aiming for 121 target, 122. That is my basic target setup. What I mean is we got a very good rejection after trend line break. Rejection once, rejection twice, and here is a big hammer being rejection for the upside, combined with the trend line we create. So we have this one for alone. We'll see how it's unfold tomorrow. This is the setup for tonight. Let's check the last two pairs. New Zealand Swiss. Very good confirmation. New Zealand is moving upward. Before it hit the resistance, we'll keep expecting upward. So the setup we just see combined with this one is a very good confirmation. Have this one going up. Last one, New Zealand yen. Of course, the yen is shooting up, so there's no trade up for all the yen pairs at this point. But let me show you something that's very interesting for the yen at this point. If we know the dimension five dimension areas, one is where you create the top, price break and resistance, dimension 2, and moving down before another trend line breakup, which is the bottom, dimension 3, resisting the support, going up back to here, last dimension, but it did not reject or hold or break the trend line, so it's shooting up after dimension 5 areas. So this is a complete triangle on the 5 dimensions, which is going up continuously, confirm what we see on the New Zealand cat. So expecting upward, we'll see how high it's gonna go. And if you know how to do the entry and moving the stop to manage the trade, I normally do is enter when the price moving to 121. I will move my stop to the entry point to break even, then leave the price run to 122. That is how I manage my trade most of the time. Okay, it's been a while. We haven't updated for the Forex in a while. I will try to keep up every day from now to see if we can have the better setup in the afternoon or in the nighttime. If there's anything going on, I will shooting up the fast video for the setup. Have a good one. We'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.